Welcome to day 16 of my journey cycling across Korea, headed for Busan. Today, I make my way from the city of Gumi all the way to the city of Daegu, the fourth largest city in the country. Annyeonghaseyo wonders, welcome back to the channel. I'm currently in Gumi, only for a few more hours. Check into my Airbnb today in Daegu is not until 4, and Daegu's not that far away. Today, like I mentioned earlier, we're headed to Daegu, which is the next city. This is a big city we're going to. Daegu is big enough to have an actual metro system with multiple lines. If that tells you anything about its size, it's bigger than what we've seen for sure. Whoa, the trees. I was just complaining about not changing color, but look, it's looking nice, real nice. Look at all the bikes, guys. All the bikes on the railing. That's the word. I was just riding by and suddenly passed what I believe is a herd of geese. I think they're geese. They look very different than American geese, but I don't know what else they would be. Some kind of big bird. Wow, 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 wow. Very pretty. Another golf course, guys. There are endless golf courses in Korea. Like literally. Feels like everybody plays golf, dude. I know of my students, a lot of them have mentioned they play golf. Whoa, beauty on all sides, baby. It's hard to believe we were just in a city. Haven't been cycling that long. Hey, a magpie. I haven't seen one of you in a little while. Looks like they're setting up for a festival, guys. Another beautiful bridge. Wow, what is that? Oh, this is cool. I've never experienced these before. We gotta park somewhere. This is cool. I had to pull over because look at this. This is so cool. I don't know what this even is. I've never seen it. It's purple. In real life, it's purple. In the video, it's looking kind of pinkish. It's definitely purple in real life. Wow, it's so cool. And the bridge is right back there. Such a gorgeous park, dude. This place is awesome. They also do appear to be either setting up for some kind of festival or tearing down from some kind of festival. Maybe tearing down because of some of the stuff laying on the ground. Something either happened here or is about to happen. Whoa, the train passes here. Can you see it? Oh, there. There it is. Ba-ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-bum. I don't know how many are left. Let's check. That was the last one on this page. We are on to the last page and we only have 6 more. I counted them, but we are going to get this top one today for sure. Absolutely. So after today, only 5 left. Holy crap. I mean, there's obviously more in here. Like there's other trails, but for the trails we're doing, this is it. Only 6 more. By the way, this big building where the certification center is located. The certification center, remember, right after leaving Gumi. In this building is a convenience store, bathrooms, water fountains, everything you really need. So if you don't want to stock up too much in Gumi before and just head out, you can, and then stock up a little bit here if you feel like you need to. All right, guys, just like last time, we are not meant to cross the bridge. Like we don't have to for the trail, but how can I resist? Sometimes I wonder if people walking by or who just see me talking and don't know that I'm filming on the GoPro think I'm an insane person. Beautiful moons on this one. Should have arrived here in the evening. All right, we crossed it. It was fun. Let's actually continue onward to Daegu. Ah, there's more of those purple, pinkish plants. It said it's pink muffy grass? Mahi grass? Just saw a sign. Guess it is pink. I mean, it looks purple to me, but maybe it's pink. Maybe not quite as extreme as the ones we saw a couple weeks ago, but work out by the flowers. Sounds pretty nice. While riding on this gorgeous boardwalk, I guess? I don't know what you call it. Wooden walkway. I realized that a lot of the mountains are foggier than I'm used to seeing. Then I realized my nose is kind of itchy. I hadn't really noticed it, so I went ahead and checked. Yeah, the air quality is not great today. It's not horrible, but it's not great. This is the first time I've experienced this. Actually, the day I got here, the air quality was bad, but ever since then, it's been good. It's unfortunate. Hopefully, I don't have too much further to go. If it's bad tomorrow, I guess it's okay, because I'll be staying in the city, but I'd like it to be better when I start cycling again. This area is extremely gorgeous, guys, but in a very different way. Just the way the plants have overgrown on everything, everywhere. I was saying it was similar to the start of the path earlier, but compared to the start where everything was kind of, it's always cut down and maintained, and you see people with weed eaters all over the place. Not here. It's been allowed to grow and overtake everything. And I don't know, it's a totally different kind of beauty. I find it really gorgeous. No way. Another freaking golf course. My God, plants are getting even higher. My allergies feel it just a tiny bit. Bridge is sexy too. Dude, these cycling road like bridges or walkways along the river have got to be some of the most beautiful part of the whole thing. Right before Gumi all the way until now, these are incredible. My video is not doing them justice, I promise you. I believe in myself as a creator, but it's something you gotta see in person. I see it, guys. See the freaking phone booth. I didn't even realize it was right there. There it is. After this one, only 5 left. Actually, guys, looking at the map, it looks like to continue the 4 rivers, you go this way. But to get to our Airbnb, we go this way because we got to go toward the city. 4 rivers doesn't actually go into the city. Look at that thing, guys. Wonder if they got the shot. Oh, come on. With the speed bumps, dude. Whoa. Okay, it says no bike in here, so I'm gonna have to get off. Holy crap. Look at this. So cool though. Not what I expected to find. I don't know how long this is, but I'm gonna walk through it. You can't ride your bike in here, it said so. I don't care how long it adds onto the trip. This is cool. That bamboo patch is not some little gimmick. It is long. Wow, that looks really dark in there. It's still going. I've been going for a while. I walked through a lot of it. It just keeps going. The bamboo forest of Daegu. I think that building might be it, guys. Not sure if this is it or not. I think this is my Airbnb, but I won't know till I try the door code and see if it opens. Luckily, I do have a door code for the front, so this makes sense. Guys, I'm in. I don't know if the bike will fit in the elevator, but the other stuff should at least. Just took my shower, laid down. Man, that was one of the best showers I've had. This is one of the best beds I've had. This Airbnb is amazing. It's better than it looks in the pictures. All right, I went out to explore just a little bit. I am on the outskirts of the city and I don't plan to go all the way in today because it's already sunset in about 2 hours. And honestly, it's just been a lot in the last last few weeks. I think I want to just explore around a tiny bit around this area, see what there is around here, and then come back. And I might just watch a movie, just hang out, stop filming. Anyway, the first thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna go to the subway. I'm walking distance. This is the first city I've been in Korea that has a subway outside of Incheon and Seoul's subway system. So I want to see if there's any difference, what it's like, or if it just feels exactly the same. I'm just gonna go like one stop over and then explore around that area. So far everything looks and feels exactly the same as in Seoul. Not only in the subway, but like up there, everything feels exactly like Seoul. I hope my T-Money card works here. I don't even know if this works everywhere. It worked, no problem at all. Yep, it's all exactly the same. Even the doors, 100% the same. Well, I made it. I literally only went over one station, but here we are. And my report is that it's exactly the same as in Seoul. T-Money card works, everything feels exactly the same. If I woke up there and you were like, where are you? I'd say, Seoul. This is definitely the outer edge of the city, but it still looks pretty city, right? Busier than the area I stayed in Incheon, that's for sure. E-bikes are so popular in this city. I've only seen like 100 since getting here. People just flying by of all ages. They're like rental e-bikes. It's pretty cool. Well, I made it back, and that's gonna be about it for today. I wanna just chill, relax, maybe find a movie online or something. I don't know, watch something and just have an easy night. Tomorrow we'll explore much more of the city. I'll see you guys then. Keep wondering.